I should have done this intro at the switchback where we started. ABC's a poker run, class 101. You go to your start point, pay your money, give you a, if they're nice, they give you a map and some addresses, and you just plug it into your phone and you go to the first stop. They give you a map where you start. You ride to your first stop at the Flat Creek restaurants where we're at today, down yonder. Pretty nice. And then you leave point 2 to point 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and you draw cards along the way. Give you a little scoring sheet. Give you a little scoring sheet, see? You get your suits and all your cards, what hands are playable. All you gotta do is play poker. You only get one draw per stop. Usually there's some beer, or food, or something to do while you're there. Something to take photos of. It's a great excuse to go ride with your friends. We're here at stop 2. See you stop 3.
Hey, Mike, for these. That's what it is, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You might want that. I don't know.
Nice, well, mix them up, brother. Mix them up. I don't want to know which one it is. I don't know cheating around here.
There you go.
This is me.
I like it. That's what I would have picked. Jack of diamonds, pair of jacks.
Hey, I'll take a pair of jacks. It ain't enough to win, but I'll take it.
Might be.
I was hoping for another heart. You got another couple more stops, right? Yeah. Oh, hold up, hold up. You got me marked on the 10 there, Dale.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're all right, you're all right.
I've been drinking.
I want my pair now.
What was it? Jack of
Diamonds.
diamonds.
Glad you remember.
Glad you watched. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Well, it don't look good for us.
Yeah, it didn't look good for me.
We got a
Cards.
we got a jack of diamonds, we got a jack of hearts, and a 7 of hearts.
We got a pair.
That's a pair of jacks. That is a pair of jacks.
I got a pair of nuts.
Right? I can pull a 7 and another jack. You can pull a 7 and another jack, and we'd have his full house.
Yeah, that's looking real good. You get that.
I got an ace of clubs, jack of spades, and a 6 of diamonds. So I'm screwed too.
I got a jack of spades, 7 of diamonds, and 5 of diamonds. Not looking so good.
I would just soon get all low ass numbers and be the.
Can I just draw all 5 of mine at the last stop?
Yeah, no kidding.
I just want to ride and drink. I mean, hydrate.
Hydrate.
I agree.
Yeah, and then just draw all 5. Just draw all 5 at the end.
There you
Just
go.
enjoy the ride and enjoy the company.
There you go. That's the best part.
And we'll play poker one hand at a time, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
That's Poker Run. See y'all at the next one. Mix them up, man. Mix them up. All right. What are we thinking? Middle of the pile or the edges? Let's go right here. Damn it.
Dang it.
Well, there goes that.
How about firecrackers? How you doing?
Not good.
Not good.
Well, let's smoke that. That's crap, bro. Yeah, that's it. I got a pair of jacks, but I know that I know there's a pair of aces out there. I might could get it one pair to pair, unless they go high card or if they go suit. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna call it. I think that's the end of that. Wah, wah, wah. Right to the last stop. Gotta pull a jack. I need my hat. Shit. Be right back.
What are you saying this morning?
All right, brother, what do you need?
I just need to turn my shit in.
Everything.
Yeah.
All right, what do you need?
Yeah, a little bit of everything. I ain't got nothing.
Every damn thing, all right?
7, 8, 9, and a freaking king.
No pairs, no nothing, no straights, no flushes. What about you, brother? Look at this motherfucker. Fucking flushing motherfucker. What's he got? Yo, fuck this guy. What do you got, brother?
Oh, pretty low straight if I get a 5.
Hey, man, you can trade out a card, maybe get a flush.
Maybe. What do you got?
Shit. He got shit. He got jacks. Look at hearts. Hearts like a motherfucker.
Pretty good odds there, dude.
This dude hard heavy.
I kept saying after the third one, I'm not gonna get it.
I rescind my previous statement. I hope you get another heart.
So let me give all that money away. It's not a charity or anything.
All right, number 26.
10 of hearts.
10 of hearts. Okay, wow. Dang, look at him. Okay, queen of hearts, yep. A 6 of hearts. A 4 of hearts. And let's see if we can
Don't
get
you
a
do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Yeah!
Oh my God!
Heck yeah, brother. Heck yeah.
Joe's got the best hand. Alright, that's awesome.
He's going here.
Good job, Mike.
Yeah,
Yes.
rip them in half and then you keep one and then you two.
My jack's pointless now. There you go.
Yeah, for sure one.
No,
Alright,
what are these for?
Keep one.
Is that
keep
full
the-
to full?
Yeah.
Really? Ah!
So yeah, we'll take it. What is 35?
Keep one, toss one.
Yep.
And a
Oh
jack of
shit,
hearts.
sorry.
It's okay. And a jack
Nope,
of
nope,
spades.
nope, 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 nope. He screwed up. It was supposed to be a jack of diamonds.
Jack of diamonds.
Yep.
Okay. And a ace of diamonds. And your last card.
Doesn't matter. It needs to be a jack.
Jack. Put it back.
I guess that's gonna do it for the poker run. We didn't win shit. We had a good time. Got to spend some miles hanging out with some friends, making some new friends.
Good. Looking very manly. I owe you some Aaron Lewis.
Hey, I'm going to announce the winners of the poker run today. 40 bites, 40 hands. We have $800 to give away. 400 to the high hand, 400 to the low hand. We'll start with the low hand first. there somebody named April, like Firecracker or something? You win. You win the low hat. Come and get your money. All right, we also have a winner for the high hat. Mike Bowman. Where's the Mike Bowman? Hey, what's up? Probably the fastest rider in the house, gets the highest hand in the house. I don't know how it works. Mr. Mike Bowman, the only Ducati in the parking lot. Thank you guys so much for joining, having breakfast with us, getting out on this day. I hope you appreciate the fact I called up this weather. Feels kind of weird. When I was a kid, the teacher never said, I can't hear you. Never, never. All right, we got raffles. For all those of you that were on this poker run, collected raffle tickets, we have stuff from our beer vendors that we like to just kind of pass on to you. Mostly because we love you. And none of it fits me. 5378, 5378, 5345, 5345. Going once, going, you're out. Oh, we got it? Just in time, baby. 5408, 5408. 5408. Oh, look at Firecracker, winning big. 5414. 54 right here. Oh! River Bluff Badgers winning up in here. 53415. More River Bluff Badger fans to bring home. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you guys. Hey, before we get Jake back up here, I want to tell you guys a couple things. We appreciate you coming out here and finding the switchback. We know we don't have enough signings. We also appreciate this group. We have no troubles, no problems, no fights, no issues. Everybody comes and has a good time. We do music, we do food, we drink a few beers and have a good time. I always try to order the best weather whenever I can do that. I will do the math on Monday, but this may have been our biggest day ever. Thanks to you. We got a little burnout action going. He's got to get a new tire. He doesn't want to bring it in there and get embarrassed because he's got too much tread on it. He's going to hook it up. We're going to get a little smoky in here. Fire it up!
That's going to do it for the poker run. Switchback Bar 2022, Eureka Springs. Why weren't you here this year? Make sure you're here next year. Y'all be safe out there. Remember, take care of one another, because won't nobody else.